Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back to In the Office with Scott and Wallace. I'm here alone today. My name's Robert Scott. I'm a partner at Scott and Wallace, and want to welcome everyone in. Just as a little background, we're here with you every Tuesday at 2 p.m. and we're going to, moving forward, we want to take the opportunity to really, focus in on things that may be happening in our practice area that could really impact your life. We're going to try to give you some advice and things to be mindful of on a weekly basis. So on that front, we may have some new, we've received some new likes on our Facebook page. Thank you for those. I think a lot of that stemmed from some of the things we were doing over Halloween with the costume giveaway to Pineview Elementary, as well as our big candy trick or treat. We've had a lot of positive feedback, and just wanted to say thank you to the community for all the positive feedback and support. We really, as a firm, enjoy doing these things, and we appreciate the acknowledgement that's coming in from you. Along those lines, we'll be recognizing a new principal tomorrow morning. Through our partnership with Leon County Schools, we recognize a principal each month who's doing fantastic things at their school, his or her school, and we can't wait to make that announcement tomorrow. So stay tuned for that. But for purposes of the day, getting back to, a more legal focus, I want to talk to you about personal injury protection. If you're new to the Facebook Live or just new to personal injury law, personal injury protection is an acronym that we refer to it as PIP, which is an acronym for personal injury protection. It stems from our no-fault law in Florida. And what those benefits are is when you're in an accident, regardless of fault, your personal injury protection, which you have through your own insurance company, is required to make payments towards medical treatment. Now, what I want to press upon you today is that if you've been in an accident recently and you're seeing this video and you're having pain, but you have not sought medical treatment, you have 14 days to get the medical treatment in order to secure all the benefits that may be available to you under your automobile policy through personal injury protection. So, if I've talked about this type of thing. If you were in an accident, you've been taking Tylenol, Advil, trying to shake it off, but you're in pain, and maybe it's day 7, day 8, day 9 since your accident, you need to get in and get medical treatment in order to make sure you have available to you the full value of your personal injury protection benefits under your policy. Now, certain things count, certain things don't. So if you have any questions about what type of medical treatment you need to get within the 14 days, don't hesitate to contact our office. But just be mindful that each day that goes by, you get outside the 14 days, that can present a problem for you down the road. Doesn't mean you don't have a claim, but it can present problems for you down the road. And we want you to have the full value of the benefits you've been paying for under your insurance policy. So when you think about personal injury protection, you're in an accident in Florida, you're thinking about personal injury protection, get your medical treatment within 14 days of your accident. So with that in mind, moving forward, we'll try to hit you with things that may be on your mind, especially following a car accident. Primarily what we do at Scott & Wallace on our personal injury side. We'll have Matt on here talking about employment and workers' compensation, things that may be affecting you or could affect you with those claims. So stay tuned, and we'll be back with you next Tuesday at 2 p.m.